The Offset to Layer tool that is provided with IMAutoCAD Solutions is one that has gotten some feedback. Well, we already have an offset tool in AutoCAD. And there are some layer controls with that if you go through all of these different settings. But even those layer controls are not as intuitive and as you don't have as many options as the offset to layer in IMAutoCAD Solutions. So IMOffset to layer works just like regular offset. We're going to offset this center line 12, and I'm going to select the center line and we'll offset it in both directions to set the edge of our curve, and we can now enter the layer that it's going on multiple ways. So in this case, I'm going to type the name of the layer, and the name of the layer is asphalt. So there's one way you can type the name of the layer. That's a little bit long. Another method, we'll use that same command, and we'll offset our new asphalt edge, and we'll turn off Object Snap, and we'll go 1.5 feet in both directions. And press enter, and I can use a dialog, a little window, and it will open up and show you all the layers in the drawing that I can set that layer to. We'll choose curve in this instance, and we'll click OK. And so now we've used two different methods to set layers using offset to layer. Let's look at a third, and the default. I offset to layer, and I'm going to use the asphalt layer here, and we're going to offset 2 feet this time, so it's the back of the curb. I'm going to select the asphalt edge, go this direction and this direction, and when I'm done offsetting, I press enter, and it asks me, notice the default. Go ahead and select an entity that you want to put those objects on, and so I'll just select the curb layer. And notice now that's placed there. So quite a few options that are available because we used offset to layer instead of the regular AutoCAD offset, and going through the many parameters to even get to the very simple current layer option with AutoCAD offset. So offset to layer gives you a lot of control, especially when you're doing a lot of offsets from other objects and setting those layers.